Vivid, beautiful, beautiful laugh.
Ooh.
So,
Back up a shame. Toyo turd.
As and when. It's the Trump defense.
Yeah. John Madden kicks it there. He's got ring. He's got a ring. Bill Parcells, 1,000%.
Oh, exit dive.
He's got multiple rings. Okay, you go back.
Come was a dime a day. And soon he was trolling the streets and getting himself into all kinds of trouble.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Yeah, nice cutoff too, because we were coming. Not like that, get your mind out of the gutter.
Really adrift. John's next job was driving a delivery wagon 12 hours a day, essentially driving a horse. In his spare
nice
time,
cutoff
he
up
was
there.
a boxing manager. Young man was shrewd. Coming back, he offered free
No, stop.
roadside
Just
service
blew right through there.
24/7, and that was really.
McCaffrey can beat you. We know how good McCaffrey is. Purdy just loves speaks the truth. And he's
Nice cutoff and exit regret.
And beat us with your quarterback. No, McCaffrey can beat you. We know how good McCaffrey is. Loves speaks the truth. And he's
Nice cutoff and exit regret.
And Shanahan's going up again. And Reed.
Exit regret behind me.
Which because he's a wonderful big game defensive.
Is involved in as an ambassador in Europe.
Yeah.
Let me double check.
Thank
Let me
you for
double check.
signaling.
I'm sure I was misreading.
Idiot.
So, Secretary.
Okay. Why can't you clear off your rear window, Nissan driver? And I'm going to count that as an exit dive too, Nissan driver.
She does that again when I'm not here, when we're set to meet. You just have to slap her.
No.
You can't let her go slipping over the
Jeez,
edge.
stay in your own
Surface
lane.
catching.
Thing kind of like new and different was just like, I don't know, like meeting and getting to
Exit
know
dive
like
up
a
there.
variety of different people.
Exit dive again.
And that's just fun and interesting in and of itself. Dating in and
Okay, we got people at the stop sign here. This is our favorite Utica stop sign, and that guy did not stop. That guy did not stop. Holy shit, someone actually stopped. It's amazing. And no stop there. Well, big dick truck stopped. Good job. We're learning. It will be a crying shame if me being on camera here I don't stop, but of course I do, because I'm a good boy and the guy behind me does not stop at all. So there you go. That's today's results. Have fun with it. Alright, let's see how we do today at this stupid ass stop sign. Someone stopped and you kind of rolled it. 1 out of 2. Not awful. And no one's behind me, although there's someone coming. And you were making a left turn and you did not stop. Okay, that's what we got today. Ghostbusters in the gate control. We're gonna have to take. That's a regret.
Bringing fucking White Claws to the, you're on stage and people are just
No stop.
in a 12E of White Claws. Yeah, and I can't wait to do it in that great city with those great people.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
this article.
This is Dr. not a doctor, John Gray.
Yes.
Yeah. This is fucking
There was no
This
stop.
is the guy
Yeah.
who
Kelly, Rex Tillerson, Mike Pompeo, and even Mike Pence are thought to have also done so. So
Really? What?
it never changed his mind. They
Oh, my
basically all were
goodness.
like, you can't do it now, you can't do it now, you can't do it now, you can't do it now. There's no
Yeah, why would he
is
pull
not
out
gonna
there? You know,
hire
that's
people
dumb.
who tell him honestly, will listen to you. Nobody
Yeah.
cares. Nobody gives a shit. And we need to change
Nope.
how we think about that. We don't have a plan. But now you've got to get a lot of the people, the older people who are in charge.
Behind me.
Nope.
Nope.
None of them are. And let me tell you.
And you didn't have to do that because you could have just stayed in the lane and went later. Stupid. Dumb.
Very, very.
That arena deal come through or the team moves. I think you have to do one or the other. It's this year, and Marty Walsh is just saying what a lot of.
Are you turning right into there? Yeah, of course you are.
Frustration
Because you're a moron.
From the Coyotes because
these leg muscles just turning through, and the evidence of that. Was all the
do you have to take the turn that wide?
Then I'm going fast, right? They're going slow.
Be down in the 35 point total. I think it's going to be right around 50-ish points. I don't like Oakland anyway, so I don't.
No.
I'd take Kansas City again. I think anytime you get in the home side.
In the green room, and I just got my head down, and Tyler's ordering dinner.
No, stop.
And I was like, can I just get bread? I don't think it's up for discussion. You guys can put what you want in the comments. I'm not going to read asshole comments anyway.
No, stop.
Just so you guys know, if you guys say dickhead things in the comments.
Arizona, so you dip into the Grand Canyon. And then you
You can go now.
So you start in Moab. Go through
Wow. Go now.
Yeah, head west, dip down.
I think it should be a really good game. I don't think it'll be a low-scoring game. I don't think it'll be a crazy high-scoring game. I think it'll probably be right around a number or right around 50 points overall. I don't think it'll be up in the 70 points total. I don't think it'll
big, huge overhead signs, and you can't pick the correct lane. And neither can the Screwbrew either.
Possibly she feels nothing, like one formerly scalded. I lower my eyes to the path, glide by her,
No,
hoping
stop.
to be invisible, knowing I'll be ignored.
Usually they said he loses interest with people, but he just wanted to hang out with me the whole time.
No left turn.
But Stanton Stark's wolf was also, I think, white or.
So fuck it. Yeah, the guy behind me nearly ran in. God, you take this road way too slower than